With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, the plot between the concentration versus time for a zero order reaction is represented by. Now, for a zero order reaction, the rate can be written as minus dC by dt. If C is the concentration of reactant, and in a reaction, the reactant disappears, right? So it can be written as minus dC by dt, and this will be equal to a constant K. Because if we write the rate law expression for the zero order reaction, that becomes equal to K only, because it does not depend on any. The rate law for a zero order reaction will be, if A is the reactant, it will be R is equal to K A to the power 0, which means that R will be equal to K. Therefore, we have written is equal to K here, because rate is represented as the disappearance of the reactant or the concentration of the reactant, which is equal to a constant K in this case, because when the order is 0, then the rate becomes a constant, which is equal to K. Okay. Now, what we will do? We will write it as minus dC is equal to K dt. Now we will integrate this, right? So this will be from C naught to C, right? C naught is the initial concentration, C is the concentration at time t, right? And this can be written as K dt, and we are going to differentiate, we are going to integrate with dt from 0 to t, right? So this will be written as, now if we shift this negative sign towards the right hand side, what will happen? If this negative sign is shifted towards this side, this can be written as C minus C naught, right? Upper limit minus lower limit is equal to minus KT, right? The zero term will go away. So we will get C minus C naught is equal to minus KT. So C is equal to C naught minus KT, right? C is the concentration at time t, C naught is the initial concentration, right? K is the rate constant, T is the time. Fine. Now if we compare it with the equation of a straight line, which is y is equal to mx plus c, what do we observe? That the curve that is plotted between y, that is c, and t, that is x, is going to be a straight line with a negative slope, right? Because the slope is negative, so the curve will be something like this: c and t. The curve will be plotted between c and t, and the curve will be a negative slope, right? It will have an intercept of C naught. C naught will be the intercept, and the slope will be equal to minus K, right? So therefore, this is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer. As you can see that the same plot is there in option number 2 also, but here they are talking about L and C. But what we are plotting here is C versus T. So therefore, all the other options are going to be incorrect, because the curve between C and T is going to be a straight line with a negative slope, which is given in option 4. That's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.